when we talk about hip carriers, there is kind of a trend going with hip slings, but there are also different types of hip carriers. So this one actually has a waist belt, but it is one that goes just over one shoulder, and you also have the hip seats, which is kind of the waist belt of a carrier with a padded seat you place on your hip and you place your toddler on. With the hip slings, the adjustability and the options are different based on the carriers, but they are actually super quick. Not all of them are suitable for a small baby. They're mostly made for use with a toddler and to be worn on your hip, especially with a toddler. Loading them from standing and then going under the carrier and up in the carrier definitely makes sense. And you place them on your hip. A smaller baby can go more in an off-center carry. This is a super quick and compact carry option, but of course it's only a one-sided thing, so it's not a symmetrical carry, which makes it less comfortable for periods of long baby wearing. But for the quick up and down toddler or a quick transfer from the car when you're just grabbing something from the supermarket, this is a great option. It's pretty similar to a ring sling, but without the rings, which makes it a little bit quicker and less bulky on front, I would say.